Again.
So what is this?
If you look down here, why don't you take a little quick look down in the hole? You probably want to take a picture. You need this man don't want to drop that. Down in the hole here. Yeah.
Hello.
So what you're looking at are two boys. This is a water cistern that has just been done right here, and it starts with the wood boards making out the foundation, I guess you'd say. And now these guys are down there taking out the boards because the cistern is finally done, and they're just swimming around there. They go through this little hole here, and then the way they get out. And then here's how they get out. By this, they get out by this room.
And this is this father, right?
And that's
Oh,
Soon I will put this inside too.
yeah. Go.
you
You ready?
So don't act up in this family, right? So pretty neat, huh? I'm gonna start doing that with my youth group when I get home. Put them in there after we make a couple cisterns.
That's it. Well,
Yep.
Classic.
The water too expensive here, man.
you gonna wave?
That's why we have to make
Wave.
it. Right?
Yeah.